The other thing about depression is it kind of collapses time. You find your whole days blending together to create one endless and suffocating loop. So you find yourself trying to remember the things that made you happy.
Every night, the same dream.
But slowly, your brain begins to erase every memory that ever brought you joy. And eventually,
Every morning,
all you can think about is how life has always been this way.
the same nightmare.
And will only continue to be this way.
I guess that's what I do. Yeah, but them people I love.
First time as long as I can remember, I don't have a war to fight. I guess I'm scared.
Open the door! Open the door! You did this to me!
I'm telling you this because I know it, okay? We're nothing. Okay.
You're right. You're not my daughter. And I sure as hell ain't your dad. I wish I couldn't feel anything, Sarah. I wish I couldn't feel a damn thing.
I'm so fucking tired. I thought I just needed a night's sleep, but it's more than that.